Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's do a donut chart. And we use a donut chart when we want to compare proportions or show proportions of categorical data. So let's build one so that we can understand much better. So I'll click on this donut chart icon, then I'll drag a country, drop under legend, and then again I'll drag a gross margin and drop under values. So already we have our donut chart, but I need to do a little bit of formatting. So I will change my labeling style. So I'll click on this detailed levels, then I will click here on category and data value, then also change the color to be black. Then let me see if I can if we can also have the details of our donut chart. So let me try to drag in the region or the category and drop under details. So when I drag in and drop category under the details, we'll see each and every country has been subdivided into three, showing the sale of bikes, the sale of accessories, and the sale of clothing. But what I can do here, it's not looking very nice, so I'll do away with the details here. So I'll just show my labeling in terms of category and value. So again, after showing category and value, now we can do away with the legend. So I'll go back again on formatting and put the legend off. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see we've built, we've generated our pie chart, and it was not that hard to build. I hope you understood. So let's again meet on the next video.